you can just continue tearing the mesh out of it. So I think it's pretty clear and obvious that what these consumers had here is really a glorified fly screen. Hi everyone, Beau here from Qulok, Australia, up in Whiffcott today near Toowoomba, and I'm standing here with Nathan from Fortress Solutions. Fortress Solutions are our dealer in Toowoomba. Nathan does a great job. He's also a dealer for one of our friends, DecoView, which make these beautiful laser cut screens. So hi Nathan, and good to have you here today. If you want any security up in the Toowoomba area, give Nathan a call. He's got access to all our great products, and I'm sure he'll do a great job of installing for you. The reason we're here today in Toowoomba is to have a look at this door behind us. This is what we would tend to call a Frankenstein door. We've spoken about this before, and we'll speak about it in future videos we've got coming up as well. When we say a Frankenstein door, this door looks like a security door. The people who purchased it as part of this home believed they were getting a brand name door. Turns out it wasn't. The reseller who sold them this door has probably made it himself. It's made out of just generic bits and pieces that he's bought. It's not a tested system, and it's probably the worst case scenario when you look at these sorts of doors. It's made with the wrong type of lock, the wrong type of cylinder. It's basically just pieced together. It hasn't been put together properly, it's not tested, and it's been fitted poorly. First became aware of the issue with this door having a look at a problem with the lock and the cylinder. The cylinder on this door is a disc type cylinder. It's simply not allowed in Australian standards, and so that's, I guess, the first warning point that you've got a problem. One of the major issues here is it looks just like any other security door, and as far as consumers go, this is one of our big issues. It's a frustration point for many people within the security screen industry, that we've got cowboys in the industry making things and ripping off clients with doors that look like they're security, but when you delve into it, they're actually not. This has no more value than a fly screen. So how can you deal with that as a consumer? Well, for a start, it's got to be passed by Australian standards, and from there on, that's going to give you the guidelines to say that this product has been designed to a specific set of guidelines. These are then tested, so we have our screens independently tested as any good security screen company would, and then we go to the next point where we actually have our products certified by the National Security Screen Association, which means they basically come out, they've audited us, they look at what we're doing, and they say, yes, you are producing the screen that you had tested in the correct manner, you're doing what you say you're going to do. So as consumers, I say to you, I can't give you any better advice than to make sure if you're buying security, you look for that Australian standards, AS 5039, make sure it's compliant with that, make sure it's been tested, and make sure you use a National Security Screen Association installer and manufacturer. These tools are here for you as consumers, they're not for us, they're for you, and they're there to try and help clear up all the cloudiness around what makes a security screen. This is here to help you and help you make a great decision and avoid getting ripped off as these people have been with this particular screen. What we're going to do today, we'll get rid of this junky screen behind us, and we're going to put a proper Qulok screen on. It's a tested product. We'll fix it up so these consumers now have a quality security screen in place. So what you can see, as we've been, I wasn't intending on destroying this here today, but this particular grill actually has no security value. The mesh is just pushing straight out of it, and come inside here now. you can just continue tearing the mesh out of it. So I think it's pretty clear and obvious that what these consumers had here is really a glorified fly screen. That provides no security of value at all. Anybody can climb through that hole. Basically, these people have been relying on a fly screen for their security for quite a while, and we need to get this resolved. Garbage, eh? Alright everyone, well that's that new door installed. So, our clients now have a quality Qulok 3-on-6 door in place of that shoddy door. We'll have a better look at it in a moment. Now this has got a 3-point lockwood system on it. When we engage that, we've got 3 points engaging. You can see there's a top, a middle and a lower point. And it's going to provide them plenty of security. It's a tested system. We've got that mechanical mesh retention. We've got our anti-jemmy strips. Nathan's done a beautiful job of fitting this. It's nice and snug in there. It's going to provide proper security for these clients for a long time to come. Of course, they get their 10-year warranty. We've got an easy way of registering your warranty as well. If you want any more information about Qulok products, give Nathan a call in the Toowoomba area. Give www.qulok.au a look, have a look at our products, give us a call. We're happy to come out and have a chat to you about securing your property properly.